Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to hide folder in Windows 11, 10 or 8. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop I just open a folder. So this is a confidential folder and office folders will be there. So I just want to hide this confidential folder from my computer. What I have to do here, just right click on the confidential folder and just go to show more option, and you will find option called properties. While you select in a Windows 8 or Windows 10 means the properties will be open here for the folder. Just click the properties. Once you click the properties, there will be attributes. Just to select the hidden. Once you select the hidden option, just click apply, and apply changes this folder to subfolders, files inside the folders, everything it should be hidden. So just select the second option, just click OK and OK. Automatically your folder will be like a dull model. So now how to hide this entire things, only office folder only display in my laptop or desktop. So what you have to do here, on your folder, while you open the folder means there will be a view, sort, new, everything will be there. There is a see more option will be there, and your Windows 10 and Windows 8 means there will be a folder option. Just select the folder options and you will find option called options in Windows 11. There will be a folder option. Just hit the button, automatically this kind of pop-up icon will be open here, that is folder option. Once you select this option means you will find option called hide folders, so that you can identify the folders in a general and view. Just choose the view option. Once you select the view option, so here there will be a hidden folder will be there. Don't show hidden files and folders, just hit the button. So select this checkbox and click apply and OK means your file will be hidden over here. As you see, my folder is there, but it will be hidden in my laptop or desktop. So how to get back the same file? So just go to the same properties option and just go to the same view, and you can select the show hidden files and apply means automatically your file will be displayed. If you hidden means it will be hidden. If you show this hidden files and apply means automatically it will be open here. So how to remove this dull model folder? Just right click and just go to the properties and you will find option called hidden. So as I said, just remove the checkbox, automatically your file will be normal places. So if you want hide and you can remove, if you want to do not show anything, you can have access with this Windows 11, 10 and 8. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching dear friends. Have a great and good day.